Hello everyone, my name is Neelima. Now I would like to explain about how to control an LED with a Node MCU and a custom-made HTML page. The components required for making this project are a Node MCU and a cable. As I am gonna utilize the internal LED present in the Node MCU, no need to connect an external LED. If you want to connect an external LED, you can do so. The internal LED present in the Node MCU has been connected to pin number 16. Now without any late, let's move to Arduino IDE. Now from Sketch, include the library ESP8266 from Manage Libraries. This is the library that I have downloaded. Now give your Wi-Fi username and password. This is the code for our HTML page. Here I have used header as LED automation. This will be displayed on the top of the HTML page. Two buttons are also provided to control on and off. When we click on LED on, it will give us an alert message whether to turn on LED or not. If we click OK, then the LED will be turned on. And then the next button is LED off. If we click on the LED off button, it will ask whether to turn off the LED. If we click OK, then the LED will be turned off. We can also provide color font for the HTML page. These are the program segments to turn on and off the LEDs. These program segments are used to connect the Wi-Fi. I have connected to the baud rate of 9600. Once the Wi-Fi is connected, the IP address will be displayed on the serial monitor. Until the Wi-Fi connects, in the serial monitor it will display these dots. Once the Wi-Fi has been connected, then the IP address will be displayed, and this is used for displaying the IP address. These three segments are used to turn on and off the LEDs. Whenever I click on button in the HTML page, it will call this address. Then LED on function will be called. And similarly, when I click on off button, this address will be called and LED off function will be called. This instruction is used to retain in the home page itself. In loop, we are using this statement. So whenever change made on HTML page will change GPIO pin state. Link for this program will be given in the description. Once we complete writing this program, click on verify and then upload the code into Node MCU. After uploading, click on the serial monitor. It will display IP address. This is the IP address we have to paste in the browser. I'm gonna copy this and paste in the browser itself.
I have pasted the IP address in the web browser. When HTML page will be displayed like this, then click on the LED on button here, which is in green color. An alert message will be displayed whether to turn on. Then click on OK. See, the LED has turned on. Now click on the LED off button. It will ask whether to turn off and click on OK here. See, the LED has turned off. This is how it works. Thanks for watching.